In this video, we're going to talk about 9.4 Objective 7, where we find the equation of a line given a point on the line and that it's perpendicular to a given line. So what we need to know about perpendicular lines is that their slopes are negative reciprocals. What I mean by that is if I have m is equal to, let's just call it a over b, then my perpendicular slope here is going to be negative b over a. Change the sign and make the numerator the denominator and the denominator the numerator. There's some ways I can do that with the standard form of the line, but I'm going to show you, just like I showed you in the last video, how to do it the way the textbook shows you first. And so with this example, x plus 5y equals negative 12, they tell you to solve for y. 5y equals negative x minus 12, y equals negative 1/5, x minus 12/5. So my slope of my given line is going to be negative 1/5. My perpendicular slope, that's the symbol for perpendicular, is going to be opposite sign, is going to be positive, and then 5 over 1, or 5, is going to be my new slope. So I'm going to start off writing it in point slope form. Y minus a negative 2 is equal to 5 times x minus a negative 4. Y plus 2 equals 5 times x plus 4. Y plus 2 equals 5x plus 20 minus 2 minus 2. Y is equal to 5x plus 18. We're told to write our answer in standard form. So let's get x's and y's on the left-hand side. Negative 5x plus y equals 18. And I want my leading coefficient to be positive. So 5x minus y equals negative 18. And just like I showed you last time, another way to think about this, I'll show you a way to do this now. So let's go ahead and write this down. 5x minus y is equal to negative 18. Let's clear the canvas here. And we're starting off with x plus 5y equals negative 12. Now what I'm going to do, you probably saw this, that because they switch positions and change sign, that I can go ahead and make this 5x minus y. So I switch the places of the 1 and the 5, and I switch the sign. If it's addition, I make it subtraction. If it's subtraction, I make it addition. And I'm going to solve for a new c value over here with a given point. And I have 5 times negative 4 minus a negative 2 is a negative 20, plus 2 is a negative 18. And that's just another way that I can get this to work. Again, I want to write this in such a way where the x term is positive. So if I needed to switch the sign of the first one and leave the second one alone, that's okay. Just switch one of the signs. Don't switch them both. So let's try that now with this second one here, that we have 5x plus 2y equals 2. So they're going to swap places. And we're going to make that one negative right now. And we're going to put in our point of negative 2 and negative 10. This is going to be 4 plus 50 is 54, which makes this 2x minus 5y is equal to 54. All right, that's it for this video. That's it for chapter 9. So we'll come back next time and we'll start talking about chapter 17. We're going to skip all the way from chapter 9 to chapter 17. So we'll see you for the next video.